Tell me.
Right.
Mauro, what are you doing tonight?
We're going to the
Where you deliver the pizzas today?
ICU. ICU. Intensive care.
Okay, fantastic. And I'm with you.
Intensive care unit. On the 5th floor.
Okay. That's great. Now will be even better movie. Come in.
Right. So we're in the lift.
Okay. What shall I press?
5th floor.
Doors closing.
Oh, it's heavy.
I hope I didn't contaminate my finger because I pressed it with
Yeah.
my finger without gloves. And Anna will kill me.
Don't put it in your face.
Okay.
Put your finger in somewhere else.
We're moving.
Some other place.
Stop.
So,
Wow.
so we're there now.